What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Diesel Dog video. Got a little project tonight out here in the garage. Got some more bulbs, some LED bulbs. Now Lasfit was nice enough to send me out some turn signal bulbs for the fronts here, and I'll go over the specs here in a minute, but this here is the last piece of the puzzle as far as outfitting my truck with all LEDs. Everything else is LED except for these bulbs right here. If you've seen all my other videos, you know the taillights are now LED, aftermarket assemblies, the third brake light. We got the Lasfit low beam and high beams in the headlights already, and my fogs are LEDs. So this will complete the LED saga as is the on the truck here. So basically what we got here, fit size, this is going to be a 3157, 3157A, 3057, 3057A, 3457, 3457A, 4057, 4157, 415, 4157NA. So say that 10 times fast. Each LED bulb is 2000 lumens. So basically these bulbs apparently have your ambers and then have white LEDs in there. Supposedly that's what it says. The link will be down in the description if you're interested. Click on it, take a look at them, see if it's something you're interested in. But I'm gonna throw these in here. Let's see what they look like with the stock, just halogen bulbs in there first. So just your typical dull, actually these, I don't know if I've ever actually had to replace these bulbs. This is a 2010 and they've never burnt out. So a little bit of the coating on the bulb itself I can see is starting to come off. When you've got your LEDs on everything else, I mean, look how bright those lights are. I've been super impressed with the Lasfit LED bulbs. Really excited to see just how these bulbs kind of tie everything together. So first things first, pop the hood. Think I'm gonna have to pull the headlight back out, which I don't want to do because I've done it a million times, but it is what it is. So the right side, I might actually get lucky here. It looks like since I've got the airbox removed for the K&N filter here, I can go through this hole right here, the air hole, and get my hand on the sockets for the bulbs. So might not have to remove the headlights for the right side. The left side, I'm not sure yet. Let's go ahead and compare these things. You can see, like I said, that the coating on these bulbs is kind of coming off. Time to change them. Here is our LED units here. Stout. Man, those things are kind of heavy actually. Printed Lasfit on there. So should just plug right in, plug and play. We'll do the one side. Since the right side's easy, we'll put them in that side first, and then we'll do a little comparison side to side here. You can see our bulbs are in there. That white looks kind of cool. These headlights, I scuffed them up and cleaned them up once. I did like the D fog thing, buffed them out. They look good for a while, but I just need new headlights. I had some custom ones on there. Some of you guys remember them. I ended up selling them. I just didn't like the strip, kind of got old on me. Just didn't really go with the rest of the truck, and so I sold them and put the stock ones back on. But these things are just, they're shot. We need new headlights. All right, guys, now I know what they're talking about with the white lights. So your markers, straight markers, are just going to be white lights. These are switchbacks. See, we got, you know, regular orange lights over here. We throw our hazards on, normal. Check it out. Switchbacks, baby. So just running down the road, there are lights on. Just a whole lot of light there. That looks friggin' awesome. I think we need some clears. What do you think? Get rid of this orange, some clear lights. Get rid of that orange. Oh man, missed that back here for a minute. Running out of room here, but that looks amazing. I guess I just wasn't paying attention enough. I didn't realize they were switchbacks. I'm gonna put these back on. I'm gonna take a look. I'm excited. That looks awesome. Oh man. Sorry people, I already get flashed a lot because of the LED Lasfit headlights. I like never use my brights. On the back roads, if there's no one around, I will put my brights on. Otherwise, I never have to use them. These lights are so bright. I feel bad. I've aimed them down and I still get flashed. So it is what it is. I'm that guy, I guess. But now I'm going to be even more that guy because my running lights are just going to be even more LED brightness. Well, the left side didn't get so lucky. I had to pull the headlight. I had to pull the grill again. I didn't really want to do a how-to. I've done this so many times. It's really easy. But if you're new to the channel and you're curious, got to take your shroud cover off here. You got some push pins there. Pull that off. Then you can get the grill out. You will just have some push pins there. I take a pliers or a channel locks, squeeze them, like reach your hand from behind here, squeeze them. You can pull the grill out nice and easy. Don't break those clips off. 10 mil, 10 mil, and through the fender well on the back side you have a 10 mil there. That one doesn't have to come all the way out. It's slotted. You can see, or not, down there it's slotted where you just loosen it and it'll pull forward. I've got it pulled forward enough to put my lights in here and take it all the way out. If you're new to the LED game, it is important to note that these are directional. They're only going to work one way. So if you stick your bulbs in and you put it all back together and it doesn't work, you probably got them in backwards. So just stick your bulbs in before you go back together. Flip them on, make sure they work. If they don't work, then you need to pull it out of the socket, put it back in the correct way, and that way you don't have to take it all the way back apart just because you put them in backwards. So I'll stick these things in there. Okay, that one we got right. Oh man, I gotta get some new headlights. If anyone's got any recommendations for some nice looking buckets, nothing too crazy. I like pretty simple. Thinking just some simple stock looking lights just with clear corners instead of, ooh, this one's nasty. Too hot yet? Oh, it's hot. Just some nice simple clear corners, nothing too crazy. Just see, you know, you're just putting a little pepper on it. You're just sprinkling a little pepper on the truck. You don't want anything too crazy. It's not a show truck, it's a daily driver. Bingo. Spicing it up a little bit, just a little pepper on it. Man, those things just look awesome. The turns are like super bright too. I mean, you can see the reflection on the front of the house here. I mean, that's just, yeah. Oncoming traffic is going to love me even more than they did before. Guys, if you like the look of these things and you're interested in putting a set in your Silverado, highly suggest doing so. The link is down in the description. And I mean, good quality lights. I should do a 1-year review on the Lasfit headlights and low beams and high beams. I've had them for a year. No issues. Nothing's burnt out. They've been working good. And like I said, I get flashed every once in a while, and I feel bad, but also they just look so good that I'm just gonna keep running them. So sorry everyone if you've been blinded by me. Yeah, I'm that guy. Like I said, I'm even more that guy now because I've got even brighter headlight bulbs in there. So awesome. Thank you, Lasfit, for sending these out. Like I said, the link will be down there. Check them out. Look at everything else they have. If you are interested in the headlights, you can go back and check out that video. That's gonna do it for me tonight. My little project. I gotta get to bed. I gotta go to work tomorrow. That thing just looks killer right now, just with the markers. I mean, I gotta get some new headlights. Guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.